This is 2014 Holden Colorado. In this video, we're gonna change the stereo with the aftermarket Android system. Hi, my name is Farid and here is Artian Automotive. As always, I start to remove the trims and other components with these tools. All right, the trim is out and press the plug down and unplug it. So it has the 4 screws each side, and I have to undo it and remove the stereo. But before that, so it needs to take these trims off. So this one, it needs to press down and push it backward. It's come up like that. Press it down, and other side, we need to turn. After removing a plug, I found out this is 2 different type of connection. So that's the original, and that is come with the new stereo. So this one, it couldn't be plug and play. But to solve the problem, we can cut each wire and connect it to this one. Step by step, I'll show you how to do it. For 2 powers, which is the permanent power and temporary power, we need to have the one of these test light and find it one by one, cut it, join it, and then go to the next one. Otherwise, the power and the ground can be touched together and cause the fire and cause the further problem to the ECU. So be careful not touching the powers and any other wires together. I can't really say which color is the power or the other component, because in a different car can be the different colors. But in this way, with the test light, easy you can find the right wire. So I turn the car completely off and test the wires one by one, and that's the only one wire should have the power with the car completely off, which is the permanent power, and that's negative. So this one is our ground wire, and this is our positive wires. And for temporary power, when I turn it to the ignition and the power comes behind the dash, means we got the power and tested one by one. And so this is the another wire, it has the power, and when you turn it off, the test light it turns off. So it means this is the temporary power as well. So I connect into this harness. I will find the other wires afterwards. Sorry, this one was the permanent power, and on the new harness, the yellow is the permanent power. So on the aftermarket stereos, all these colors, they are exactly the same, but The OEM harness, it could be the different colors. With the test light, easily we can find it. So the first wire is connected now, and put the electrical tape, and that's the second one. It goes to the red, which is the temporary power, and AUX, they call AUX, auxiliary power. And this black, which is the ground cable, it goes to this cable, new harness. We got 4 different colors, which are goes to the speakers: gray, white, purple, and green. So each of them, it has the plain wire and the one with the black stripe. The black stripe, it goes to the negative. Without the stripe, it goes to the positive. The white speakers for the left front, gray wire is the for the right front, green for the rear left, and purple is the for the right rear. On this harness, on the top, it has the four different copper wires, which is the yellow, blue one, the other one is the green, and the other one is white and blue. So these 4 could be for speakers, but to test these, we need to have one battery, and we connect the positive and negative to the positive and negative of the battery, and when it's triggered, it's gonna be make a noise, and we find out which speaker is that. So this is my drill battery, and here is the negative and positive. One of those wires, I cut them from the original harness, and I try it like this. So that's the front left, and I have to connect that to the white. And in the same way, I will do every other 3 speakers and connect them together. So now it should, when we connect it, it should work.
End of financial year is go time at GWM. Get in quick to save thousands, like the Havel Jolian Premium from just $23.99.
So that's a GPS antenna connected to the stereo. This is the original plug, and this is the one that I made it. So I put the sticker tape around it to make it looks like an original. That's a hazard light, so I have to take it off from here. And put it on top of the new one. Don't forget to take this for plug from the original surround and put it in the new one. All right, so now everything is ready to go. Put this one in. So this plug is for the USB connection. It's already run the cable from here to the glove box. Another plug goes at the back. That's for the microphone. And that's the antenna. And the power. And the last one, don't forget the hazard light. So put the condition vent first. And put the stereo back. There you go. And the bottom part. So put it back on, turn it on. That's a radio. Connect the Bluetooth. Car BT. Pairing. 0000 pair. And here you go. That's Auto CarPlay and Auto Android. It's come up. All right, another stereo been installed, and hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and press the bell to not miss the next videos. See you next one.